Hey everybody.
Hi, farm members. We did it. We got the kids to bed, and now we realized we had to do our video in the wash shed because the Vitamix is very loud and we don't want to wake up those kids. We got to bed. So, okay.
So we have a hot date in the hot wash shed.
Yeah. All right. So, as you probably know by now, we are doing a daily greens challenge starting on Monday. And the challenge is for you to eat a cup of greens per day from Monday, October 21 through Sunday, October 27. And I will be posting those details soon. But we want to keep giving you ideas for how to eat those greens besides salads. And the green smoothie is one we just have to talk about because it's such a great one. Oh my goodness. I'm used to doing these by myself now, so I have to rethink doing a video with Dan. Okay, so what we thought would be fun is to show you our different recipes for the green smoothie. I'm going to do a classic Julie smoothie. This is the one that we had with dinner tonight. You know,
all the kids ate it very gladly.
Yeah, like we ran out. So, and then Dan will show his, which actually I think might not be too weird tonight.
They're delicious. And as long as the kids don't know it's a daddy green smoothie coming, they generally like it.
Okay, so we use a Vitamix. When you do a green smoothie, you want to use a high-speed blender. We used to use a NutriBullet.
And they're nasty. Well, NutriBullet's fine, but if you just use a normal blender,
yeah.
Nasty, because the texture just isn't right.
Well, the greens just won't get blended. If that's all you have, go ahead and try. So anyway, with the Vitamix, you want to start with your liquids first. I'm doing 2 cups of water.
Babe, that's more than 2 cups of water.
Okay, I'm doing 2 cups of water here. And let's see there. And then I'm going to add my greens next. I do half greens and half fruit. My most standard greens that I use are spinach and kale. So I'm just going to shove my spinach in there. I'm doing, like I said, a pretty classic smoothie. Using a banana or an avocado, they smooth out your smoothie. So I have about a half a cup worth of banana. And then I have my frozen strawberries.
It's really important if you want a smooth consistency. You could also add a little yogurt to add that smooth consistency or some more protein.
Yeah. So, and then my little fun thing that I'm adding are mint sprigs, which you can pick yourself in our pick your own herb area, of course. Hey!
What?
It's for my smoothie.
Oh, it's also her subtle way of saying, Dan, you didn't brush your teeth today.
Ha! All right. So, here we go with our smoothie. This is going to be loud, kind of annoying. Just bear with me for a minute. Here we go! Woo! Woo!
You usually want to do it for about 30 seconds. That way all the green and chlorophyll gets mushed up so your body can actually absorb it. If you go too long, it will heat it up. And you don't want to do that.
Did anyone hear what Dan just said? We don't know, and that's okay. So, in real life, so to speak, I probably would have blended this a little bit longer, but it's okay. Oh, you know what? I don't really have something to pour all of this into, I'm realizing. I just brought like little taste testers.
Just pour it into my mouth.
So can we make yours? We'll see. We'll just keep pouring it in these glasses. Okay, so this is Julie's smoothie. I'm going to post my recipe. No, not that. Not that.
Oh.
I'm going to post my recipe in the comments. And Dan, you want to taste it? Tell me what you think.
First, you got to smell. It's got a strawberry smell.
Okay. Good.
Yep, your kids would definitely like this. It tastes more fruity than it does.
It didn't turn that beautiful bright green, but that's okay. It's still tasty, you know.
Strawberries tend to make it look brown. That's what we've kind of learned over time. Now, if you want to have a more pleasing color, just add a couple blueberries. That's all it takes.
Oh, to make it blue.
Yeah.
Right.
Then it looks a little less like...
Okay, Dan.
Sorry.
All right. So, and probably another great idea before making your next smoothie would be to rinse this out, but we're not going to do that for the sake of time here.
Guys, if this fails, it's because of Julie and this dirty one. Okay, so I'm going to put some water in there. Now, I like to use a variety because diversity is the spice of life. So I'll use this dinosaur kale. With some of the kale, you can put the stem in, but you're going to have to run it a little longer if you want a finer texture. So it's fine to leave it in, or not. I'll just put it in there. I'll also put some salad kale because I happen to have some left in my fridge. And then I got some spinach here. And then, oh so tasty. Sweet peas, microgreens, because they taste so sweet. So you notice that I'm going to add that in there. And then I do add a banana or an avocado during the summer when they're cheapy.
And I just want to say, Anne, I see your Vitamix heart here. And you are part of the reason that we're doing this video because you texted me asking me for my smoothie recipe. And I said I would get it to you. And here, this is my way of doing that while Dan plays banana basketball or something.
Secretly, what Julie has not known this whole entire time about green smoothies is my secret ingredient. So I'm just going to go over here. And I have a number of secret ingredients.
I really don't know. I really don't know what
she can't see it, but you guys can. Julie, don't look.
Okay.
Do you guys see what that says? And do you see where that's from? Oh, yeah. Okay, don't look. Julie, close your eyes.
Okay, I'm not looking. I want to see.
Now, if you really do make a savory...
Ross says we need rum in there. You are a smart man, Ross.
Oh. If you really do make a green savory and you think you've gone too green on me, too savory, just add a cup of this magic potion and you're good to go.
I actually don't believe you right now. I have never tasted a smoothie of his that wasn't a little over the top savory.
That's true. I also want to say that you can add some of this. It's strawberry lemon basil from Frozen Gardens, who is a great customer of ours. And, you know, they're meant for water, but hey, throw it in there.
Okay, I just want to say, I asked Dan to make up his own recipe or, like, pay attention to his recipe while he did this. I feel like...
And also,
Daniel!
This is another secret ingredient that you can add. Nutella.
I don't even think I'm going to try this. This is ridiculous.
Really? I only usually add one special spicy ice cream or sweet thing if I'm in the mood. What? Oh. But carrots are key. Carrots, you don't want to add too much because they can make it frothy, kind of like apples do. And I would often add a whole nother kale leaf too. Especially if you add ice cream, you can counter it with a whole kale leaf. It's been scientifically proven. Now, I'm going to put this on now. Start it on low because you want to turn it up slow. 30 seconds. Oh, you could also add some peanuts for some protein. I love peanuts. Now, astute viewers would notice that some of the ice cream that I actually added was literally like a tablespoon because I didn't have a spoon. So, really, I didn't add much ice cream.
And I don't know if you see, Jennifer said that her Dan is making milkshakes at their house, so...
Okay, folks, let's get this straight. This is not a milkshake. Okay, that's offensive.
We're coming over,
that is offensive.
We're coming over.
This is about health.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. Now, do you see this?
Oh, it's
Julie,
so
do you know?
pretty. It's so green.
Who's got the better color?
Dan, all right, I'll give you that one.
Now,
okay.
This is a little bit frothy. Do you notice that, Julie?
I do.
So that's from the carrot. Apples will do the same thing.
Cheers.
Cheers. Give it a smell.
Okay. Here we go. That is actually good.
I told you, folks. You don't need no recipe. You just make the magic happen.
I'm going to try and write Dan's recipe down or variations so you can try these at home and judge for yourself, but it might be a challenge, y'all.
Yeah, it's definitely got a more gritty texture, which is what usually freaks kids out, is the texture. So if you want more smooth, add another banana.
Yeah.
Julie's is definitely texturally better. But
mine is kid-friendly.
What kind of kids do you have? That's what I'm going to say.
Or if you don't have kids. I mean, it's not always about the kids, right? Okay. So